White animal.
Wild animal.
Or
Or
what? Another word.
domestic.
Very good, domestic animal. So, can you please tell me which category these animals belong to? Wild animal or domestic animal? Let's get started. Goose.
Goose. Wild animals.
Is this why? Goose. What does it mean? Goose.
แพะ
ห่านไหมถ้าแพะมันต้อง goat ต้องอยู่ที่ไหน
domestic.
Yes, very good. So, what about sheep?
Sheep. Domestic.
Yeah, you need to know the meaning first, and after that, you can tell me. Yes.
Cat.
Yes, okay. Tiger.
Wild animals.
Cobra.
Wild animals.
Okay, what animal? Parrot.
Wild animal.
Hen.
Domestic animal.
Monkey.
Wild animal.
Giraffe.
Wild animal.
Dog.
Domestic animal.
Polar bear.
Wild animal.
Deer.
Wild animal.
Cat.
Domestic animal.
Whale.
Wild animal.
Jaguar.
Wild animal.
Goat.
Wild animal.
Is it what? Goat.
Domestic animal.
Okay, so don't forget about the word goat. Goat and goose different. Goose คือห่านแล้วถ้า goat.
แพะ
Okay, so which category it belong to?
goat belong to
Domestic.
domestic animal.
Crocodile.
Wild animal.
Python.
Wild animal.
Horse.
Domestic animal.
Exactly. Leopard.
Wild animal.
Panda.
Wild animal.
Donkey.
Wild animal.
Are you sure?
Not sure.
You're not sure. What do you mean by the word donkey?
Wild.
Yeah.
Domestic animal.
Yeah, they have been raised by humans, so it is domestic animal. Peacock.
Wild animal.
Last but not least, gorilla.
Gorilla. Wild animal.
Okay.